Do you love to cook? Do you need new quality cookware that's going to help you through this fall and winter season to get all the good cooking done in your house? I have an incredible special for you tonight that I want to show you. So my name is Thelindabradley and I am with Princess House, and I love putting together packages to help you save money, and this is one of my favorite ones. So let me show you what I have coming up. So this is a whole package, everything all in one. It's going to replace all of your old, rusted, dented, rotten cookware in your kitchen, and it's going to give you a chance to cook with high quality products that will help you save time, help you save money, and non-stick, help you save calories. So I am focusing a lot on cookware that you can use every day, every night to help your family. So I am going to start with our non-stick collection. A lot of people do prefer non-stick because it gives you the opportunity to use less fats and less oils. And so this non-stick that we have, it doesn't have any of the dangerous chemicals, no PFOA. And just to give you an idea, if you're not very familiar with Princess House, all of our stainless steel cookware comes in 1810 stainless steel, which is the highest quality. And these pieces are so durable that they have a lifetime warranty, even the non-stick. So they can go on any stovetop, gas, electric, induction, whatever you have. They can go in your oven up to 350 degrees with the lids and up to 450 degrees without the lids. Now the lids are these beautiful glass lids. And what's really nice about that is you can see what's cooking, and you're not gonna have to worry, oh, is it burning? Does it need a little bit of help? You'll also notice that it has a beautiful, I don't know if you can see it, but a beautiful Princess Heritage cut flower that makes it pretty. So who says that practical can't be pretty? If you like to hang your cookware, they made the handles and the top so that they can go right over top. So that's really nice as well. All right, so this set is going to include, oh, and one more thing, it has a little spout at the top, like a slow release steam seal spout, so that when you're cooking, the steam just naturally comes off. So in the non-stick collection, you're going to get a 10-inch. So this is good for your breakfast and your lunches. But then when you go to cook dinner, you need a bigger one. So here is a 12-inch. All right, same design, everything that we make. And then the one that everybody loves, number one, is our 13-inch non-stick griddle. I love this piece because of the size. You can see it will cook 5 pieces of French toast. You can cook omelets and your whole breakfast on one pan. You can cook your meats and your potatoes and your eggs all in it. A pound of bacon all at once. It's a great item. And again, because you can use it in the oven, you can make pizza, you can make cookies, cakes, anything like that. So keep in mind that that aluminum in the bottom will make this cook evenly. Even if it's on a smaller burner, it all cooks evenly. So that is part of our non-stick collection. And then I wanted to round it out to give you all the cookware that you need for your everyday living. So now this is part of what we call our Princess House Signature Series. And again, it has that beautiful pattern. It has the little steam seal. You'll see everything. So this one is a 3-quart. This is good for your day-to-day cooking, your macaroni and cheese, all those different things. And then in that same collection, I have a 6-quart. So a 6-quart is nice for the larger ones, right? You can use it for your pasta, or depending on what you are cooking, you need the larger pot. And then you have the nice big one. So this is an 8-quart stock pot. But what's nice about it is it has with it the steamer or the strainer. So when I go to cook pasta, I put this in, I fill it up with my water, I put my pasta in there, and I cook it. And then when the pasta's done and you take it out right off the stove, it's already strained. I really enjoy that a lot. Okay, some other pieces again to help you with your cooking. This is a 2.5-quart. This is in our tri-ply series, so it's a good, nice size. And then another big one for you, but this is nice and wide. So this is a 9-quart, right? 9-quart, nice and wide stainless steel. Now, I have 2 extra items that I want to show you, and they're not stainless steel, but I thought I would throw them in for a little bit of fun. The first is our Wildflower Bowls. So they are a set of 3, the medium, small, medium, and large, and they're made of borosilicate glass, so the bottoms are safe to go in your oven, but the tops have these really neat seals that are made out of BPA-free plastic and silicone, and they seal really, really nice. So these will be good to take with you if you want to go to picnics. They seal really well. And this is a set of 3. And then You can hear this starting to work a little bit here. Can you see my tea kettle? Let me pull this back a little bit. I'm not sure if you can see it. Can you see it? I hope so. All right, so this is our electric tea kettle, and it's one of my favorite things because you can cook a hot cup of tea in just minutes. I don't know about you, but I do not like using microwave for my tea. I like it really steaming hot. This is also good if you want to make pasta really quick. You got your water boiling. Obviously, it's great for hot chocolate, soup, right? The ramen soup that you just need to pour your boiling water into. You can also use it for the herbal teas because a lot of the times, like 212 is the number that you're supposed to boil water, but a lot of your herbal teas will tell you to only put it to 185. So you can control the temperature on this, and it makes a great pot of tea. So that's it. Oh my gosh, I forgot the star of the show. Hello. That's because it's not even in the picture. Holy moly, here we go. So this is our #1 item in our whole entire catalog, and this is our high power blender. I don't even think I have to tell you about it because it's been our #1 item for 5 years. So I think you already know. So this whole collection, everything that I just showed you is worth over $2,800 and worth every penny of it, but not with me. I have some really great specials. I put this together at one big, huge set, and this is on sale for you for just $1,285. That's it for everything. You're going to save at least 50%. It's an amazing offer. So you need to reach out to me. Nope, that's not the right one. Thelindabradley@gmail.com. That's who you have to reach out to because this is a special, so you're not going to see it on the Princess House website. Tea's done. And so just reach out to me. You can either pay in full or make payments. I can make a payment plan with you, whatever works best. But an easy payment plan is you can make 10 weekly payments of $128, $128.50, and it's done. As soon as it's paid in full, it ships, and it ships anywhere in the United States. You can pay with Visa, Mastercard, Discover. You can use Zelle, ApplePay, whatever's easier for you. So again, just reach out to me, Thelindabradley@gmail.com. This is an awesome set. It is while supplies last. It is a limited time, so please reach out to me right away. And what's also nice about a set this big is you can use it as gifts. So keep the pieces that you need for yourself. We have the holidays coming up. What great gifts this would make. You just cannot beat the price.